Hi, this is Melanie with the scrapbooking department at Ben Franklin, and today we're going to do a demo on how to use this punch board. It is the We Are Memory Keepers punch board. Now I have an older version, and maybe some of you have this version too. So this is the one I'm demoing on, but these are the newer, better, improved versions, and I will talk about both as I show you. To start off with, I'm going to show you how to do this cute little holder. It's big enough for a couple of tea bags. There's two of them in there. Or you could fold that part back and put a card in there to your friend. So what you're going to do is start with a 6x6 paper, and one thing I love about these papers is that they come in these cute little packets. So lots of cute little 6x6 packets that you can use. This is one of the spring ones that we have available right now that I really love. So what you're going to do is, I won't need this because I've already got it cut. You're going to take your scoreboard, and now I'm going to ask Michaela to come behind me and see if she can get this part here. Because I want to show you on the scoreboard down here, we've got some numbers right here to follow along. And we're going to start by placing the paper at 2 5/8. So I want you to get as close as you can, Michaela, to that. So 2 5/8, and I'm going to punch because this is a puncher. And then I'm going to score along here, down the aisle here. I forgot this paper's hard to see. I might have to turn it over. Now on this one right here, you only have one score line to worry about. So that's what's nice about yours. This is what you line it up to when you turn it around, but at punch and scores, you only have that one score line. So ignore the rest of them. If you have a punch board like this, just ignore them. And then you're going to turn your paper, and what you're going to do is follow that score line that you already did. And so it's going to be easier maybe if I do it the other way. But I'm going to try this way. So I can see that I've scored it right to here, and I'm going to line that score mark up with this. Don't pay attention to this anymore. You're going to line your previously scored line up with that right there, which is this one on this one right here. It's easier on yours. And I'm going to punch and score again. And then I'm going to turn it. It's right there. This paper's tricky. Punch and score. And then turn it. It's right here. Line it up with that thing, punch and score again. So now I've punched and scored on all 4 lines. And all you do, this is actually how you would make an envelope. So we're going to get rid of this for a second. You would make an envelope by folding in each of the sides. So if I was going to make an envelope, I would glue these sides together. And there's my envelope, right? My card goes in there. Well, we're just gonna do it a little differently. Oops, I forgot to show you how to round the corners. The other nice thing about these is that they have, now this one is up here, a rounder, this one is right here. So before you fold it, go ahead and stick it in there and round your corners. Such a cool little tool here. I love that it rounds the corners like that. Now move it out of the way, and you've got rounded corners, okay? So to make the one that looks like this, we're just going to fold this up and fold these over and glue them. So take your little handy dandy tape runner, and you're gonna put some adhesive on there. Fold it over. I actually like to put it on here too. Stick it there, fold it over like that. And then if you want to make it look like this, you can punch a hole in it, add ribbon. You can decorate the front with whatever you like. I'm also going to show you how to do bows. That'll be a different video. You can make bows with this machine. But that is our tag. This is, I call it a tea bag holder, but you can put anything in it, a little card or anything in it. Thanks for watching.